You'd think removing an iPhone lock-to-owner lock requires advanced tech skills or endless customer service calls, but surprisingly, a basic app handles it effortlessly and legally. Today, I'll reveal how this tool works its magic, providing a clear tutorial on installation, activation, and instant removal. We're tackling that frustrating iPhone lock-to-owner message so you can bypass it quickly. This video is for informational purposes only. Using third-party tools to bypass security features may violate device terms and conditions. Proceed at your own risk and ensure you own the device. Before we continue, if you're stuck with an iPhone displaying that frustrating lock-to-owner message, or any other Apple device for that matter, I've got a fantastic solution for you. Unlocksy. It's a super reliable platform that quickly removes iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, or even Macs, getting you back full control without any hassle. No matter where you are in the world, let me show you just how simple it is using their iCloud lock removal app. I'll demo it right now so you can see it in action. Imagine this. I've got a locked iPhone right here showing that annoying iPhone lock to owner screen. This process works the same for any Apple device. First, grab your locked phone, press the power button to turn the screen off, then tap it back on and hit the little eye icon in the bottom right corner. Make sure to jot down the IMEI or serial number displayed. That's crucial. Now head over to Unlocksy site, create a new account or login, and open their iCloud Unlock app. But seriously, don't skip ahead. Watch me do this first, or you might hit some snags. Once you're inside the app, pick your device type, like iPhone in my case, and enter that IMEI or serial number you noted. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click Unlock My Phone Now to submit. Now here's the thing, each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. If you don't want to buy their coins, I have a solution. Hit that join button below this video, pick the membership tier that includes Unlocksy access, then go to our membership page and grab a voucher code that gives you 100 full coins. After that, you can track the progress in real time on their dashboard. The process usually takes a few hours to about 2 days, depending on your device's situation. Once it's done, like here on my phone, just press the back button. Watch it reconnect to Apple's servers and pull the updated activation status. Boom, it lets you proceed, skip through the setup, and there you go, fully unlocked. You can even set up a brand new iCloud account. This works on any iOS version and model because it's a legal, constantly updated service. If joining sounds good to you, click that join button. Select the Unlocksy inclusive membership and use my voucher code for 100 instant coins, no waiting. Or if you'd rather not handle it yourself, drop a super thanks of $5 or more below. Share your IMEI with me privately and I'll submit it personally for you. It's an easy fix for your activation lock removal. All right, so you've seen how Unlocksy works, and you're probably wondering, what exactly is this iPhone lock-to-owner message and why is it such a big deal? Well, let's break it down. This isn't just a random error, it's Apple's iCloud Activation Lock in action. Essentially, Activation Lock is a robust security feature built into Apple's Find My system. Its main purpose is to deter theft and protect your data if your device falls into the wrong hands. When Find My is turned on, Apple securely links your Apple ID to your device. This means that even if someone completely wipes your iPhone, it can't be reactivated or used without that specific Apple ID and password. It's a digital kill switch that makes stolen iPhones virtually useless to thieves, significantly reducing their resale value. On iPhones running iOS 15 or later, this security measure manifests as the iPhone locked to owner screen you see. It tells anyone trying to activate the device that it's still tied to its original owner's Apple ID. The lock itself isn't stored on the phone. It lives on Apple's activation servers, which is why even a full device reset won't remove it. Without the correct credentials or a legitimate method like the one we're discussing, that iPhone remains a very expensive paperweight. Now, understanding this fundamental security feature helps us appreciate why a solution like Unlocksy is so valuable. It provides a legal pathway to bypass this lock when you're the rightful owner but can't access your account for whatever reason, or if you've purchased a device that was improperly reset. Next up, we'll dive into the legitimate ways this lock can be removed and where tools like Unlocksy fit into that picture. Now that you understand what activation lock is and why it exists, let's talk about the legitimate ways to remove it. First and foremost, if you're the original owner and you know your Apple ID and password, you can simply enter those credentials. Alternatively, you can use iCloud.com. Just sign in, go to Find iPhone, select your device, and choose Erase iPhone. This legally removes the activation lock from Apple servers. What if you're the legitimate owner, but you've forgotten your Apple ID password? In this scenario, Apple support can assist. You'll need to provide solid proof of purchase that includes the device's serial number or IMEI. Crucially, the device must be erased before Apple will process this request. For organizations, mobile device management, or MDM, solutions offer a bypass code to disable activation lock remotely. Now, here's where solutions like Unlocksy come in. They often work by leveraging legal pathways and official procedures. It's important to understand that Unlocksy isn't hacking Apple's servers. It's streamlining a process. It provides a convenient service to help you navigate these legitimate removal methods. Next, we'll dive into the specific steps for using Unlocksy. Okay, so now that we've laid the groundwork and you understand the what and why of activation lock, let's get into the how. We're going to walk through using Unlocksy step by step to remove that iPhone lock to owner status. This process is designed to be straightforward, but paying close attention to each detail ensures a smooth and successful unlock. Step 1, connect your iPhone and launch the app. First, take your locked iPhone and connect it to your computer using a USB cable. Once it's securely connected, open the Unlocksy application on your computer. The app should automatically detect your device and display its serial number or IMEI. This is a critical check to make sure the app recognizes your specific phone. Step 2, verify device information and initiate unlock. Within the Unlocksy app, you'll see the detected device information. Double-check that the serial number or IMEI matches what you noted from your iPhone's lock screen. This verification is crucial to ensure you're processing the correct device. Once confirmed, you'll typically find an option like Start Unlock or Process Request. Click this button to proceed. The app will then send a request to Unlocksy's servers, which will begin the process of legally removing the activation lock from Apple's servers. Step 3. Monitor progress and await confirmation. After initiating the unlock, the Unlocksy app will usually provide a progress tracker or a status update. This allows you to monitor the request in real time. The duration can vary, but as we mentioned, it typically ranges from a few hours to a couple of days. It's important to keep your phone connected and the app open during this initial phase, though you can usually disconnect it once the request is officially in process on their dashboard. Once the unlock is complete, you'll receive a notification within the app, and often an email confirmation as well. Step 4, reconnect and verify unlock status. When you receive confirmation, reconnect your iPhone to the computer if it isn't already. The Unlocksy app might prompt you to refresh the device status. On your iPhone, you'll want to go back to the iPhone locked to owner screen, and typically, after a brief moment, it will refresh and allow you to proceed past this screen. This indicates that the activation lock has been successfully removed from Apple's servers. Now, with the activation lock gone, you can set up your iPhone as if it were brand new. You can create a new Apple ID or sign in with an existing one, giving you full control over your device again. Next, we'll cover some common issues you might encounter and how to troubleshoot them. Now, even with a smooth process like Unlocksy, you might occasionally hit a snag. So let's talk about common issues and how to troubleshoot them. Ensuring your unlock experience is as hassle-free as possible. First, device not detected. Error. If Unlocksy isn't recognizing your iPhone, first, double-check your USB cable. A faulty cable is a surprisingly common culprit. Try a different port on your computer or even a different computer if available. Also, ensure iTunes or the Apple Devices app on Windows is installed and updated, as these provide the necessary drivers for your computer to communicate with your iPhone. Sometimes, simply restarting both your iPhone and your computer can resolve this. 2. Slow processing or pending status. While Unlocksy aims for speed, some unlocks can take longer, up to 2 days, especially for older models or if Apple's servers are experiencing high traffic. Patience is key here. Avoid repeatedly submitting the request, as this won't speed things up and might complicate the process. You can always check your dashboard on Unlocksy's website for real-time updates. If it's been longer than the estimated time, then it's time to reach out to their support. 3. Error messages during submission. If you encounter an error message when submitting your IMEI, carefully read what it says. It might indicate an incorrect IMEI, a network issue, or that the device is blacklisted. Verify your IMEI number again against what's displayed on your iPhone's lock screen. If you suspect a blacklisting issue, Unlocksy's support team can often provide guidance. 4. Post-unlock setup issues. After receiving confirmation that your iPhone is unlocked, you might still encounter a hiccup during the initial setup. If it still shows the locked to owner screen, try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a fresh boot forces it to recheck Apple's activation servers. If the problem persists, connect it to iTunes or the Apple Devices app and attempt to restore it, which often clears any residual activation lock data. Remember, Unlocksy has a dedicated support team available to assist with any issues you can't resolve on your own. Don't hesitate to reach out to them for personalized help. Once your iPhone is successfully unlocked, you're free to set it up as a brand new device, create a new Apple ID, and enjoy full control. You've successfully navigated the complexities of activation lock, and now your iPhone is truly yours again. So you've learned how to legally and easily remove that frustrating iPhone lock-to-owner status using Unlocksy, turning a locked device into a fully functional one. We walked through understanding activation lock, the steps for using the app, and even troubleshooting common issues. Now you can confidently regain control of your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful guides.